you just feel like there's some smell, like there's some harufu, kuna tu harufu fulani, yeah. It means au kujipanguza vizuri. Ushaisikia mtu akikwambia hujajipanguza vizuri, yeah. Now guys, have you ever tried cleaning your butthole with water every time you go to poop? Now we want to do that practically today. We want to compare tissue, we want to compare wet wipes and water. Which one works best? All right, so let's do it. Now, let's assume that this one here is your butthole and this is the poop. So I'll just place that one right there and make sure it's properly in. Then we'll try using, number one, we'll try using our tissue. So we'll do just a few rolls, like let me do 3. So here we go. So this is how. So you wipe yourself thoroughly, even go in, and you see, even after turning your tissue again, you do it again, you do it again, you do it again, and still it doesn't come out like all of it. So that's the tissue. Now let's try the wet wipes. Same procedure. Let's put our poop. Take our wet wipe, all right? And you do what? Wipe, all right? So you wipe the first wipe. That's the first wipe. Then you still go in with the second wipe. So that is for wet wipes. I think compared to tissue, wet wipes are better. Now let's try water. So in the case of water, I'll assume, I'll assume that this is what I've done. So I've taken my tissue. Then this is the poop right here. So for water, you're using both, because again, with such poop like this a lot, you don't want again to go in with your hands, okay? It's a little bit unhygienic, right? Yeah, so if this is your poop, you'll go in the first round, okay? Then go in for the second round, all right? So at least we've cleared. Then you clean. Like you see, it's much better. Yeah. It's actually better. You see, once you've cleaned it like that, you can now come in with the tissue, just like this, wipe yourself properly. All right. Then ta-da, you see, like it's cleaner. Yeah. There's nothing, like there's literally nothing that is left. You see, like it's clean, all right? So once you've washed, you can now go in with either your wet wipe, which is the unscented wet wipes, because again, you don't want to go in your butthole with scented things, all right? So you now go in either with your tissue or you go in with your unscented wet wipes and just properly wipe yourself. I think I'll try this. Or this is going to be my method, because just look at how clean that is. Super clean, you see? So tell me in the comment section, would you touch your poop or your butthole wiping, or rather using water to wash yourself or clean yourself? Would you use a tissue or would you use a wet wipe? We've seen the 3 methods and which one works best. So we have water, wet wipes, then tissue as number 3. All right. So tell me, are you number 1, number 2, or number 3? And make sure you're sharing this video so that, as always, someone else is learning.